It's playoff time, and here we have the four teams who have qualified for IPL 2020. And they are the Mumbai Indians, the Delhi Capitals, the Sunrisers Hyderabad, and the Royal Challengers Bangalore. One among these teams will be the winner of IPL 2020. The league stages are done, and today it is qualifier 1. It is Mumbai Indians knocking horns with Delhi Capitals. Now, let us see the players to watch out for in tonight's game. Starting with Jasprit Bumrah. Siddharth, what is your take on Jasprit Bumrah?
Yeah, we saw in the last game very clearly what the absence of Bumrah and Bolt did. It almost took the fizz out of their attack, and it looked like a much weaker team, a bowling attack against whom you could score runs off easily. So that's why Bumrah is so important, because again, he's a world-class bowler. He's been there on that list of purple cap holders, and of course he delivers when it's crunch time. He always delivers. That's why he is such a good player, and he will play an important role today, because mind you, it's a very important game. Mumbai will look forward to win and seal their spot on the final. So Bumrah will have to come forward and maybe get some wickets and help Mumbai win the game.
Next, we have Ajinkya Rahane. Gautam, your take on Rahane?
Yeah, well, Rahane has made a comeback to the Delhi team. He was picked initially and then dropped. Didn't get many chances in this tournament. But the last game against RCB, he scored match winning 50 odd, and I think the chase was tailor-made for somebody like Rahane. He could take his time. He didn't have that scoreboard pressure. He could just knock around and play the style which he's comfortable with, and I think he showed that he's a match winner, a big match player, and also with the experience that he has, I think he's going to bring a lot to the tables, and I think he has struck form also in the correct time, and he'll be wanting to make an impact tonight and seal the place in the final.
Here we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for. It is Henrik Nortje taking on the big man Kieron Pollard. Siddharth, what is your take on this battle?
Yeah, Pollard and Nortje, I think superstars taking on each other. Pollard has had a brilliant season with the bat. Nortje has had a brilliant season with the ball. I think Nortje, to come from where he was in the last year, not getting a chance to play, and this year he's come out strong. He's bowled well, and over the last two games, even when Rabada hasn't performed, Nortje has stood up and he's taken wickets. Even though he's been a touch expert, taking the important wickets, which is the more important thing in T20. So Pollard, in the last game we saw he almost rescued Mumbai from an even more humiliating defeat. So it's going to be an interesting battle. If Mumbai start losing early wickets, then it will get interesting when Pollard takes on Nortje.
Next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for. It is Trent Boult taking on Shikhar Dhawan. Gautam, your take on this battle?
Yeah, when these two players met last time, I think it was Bolt who got the better of Dhawan. Dismissed them for a duck in that game, and he didn't play the previous game. They rested him in the previous game, and we saw how the bowling attack looked once their strike bowlers were in there. So I think I don't know how much of an impact that would have made on their confidence. But with Bumrah and Bolt who are likely to play today, I think they should feel confident, and they're looking forward to see the battle. Dhawan has been brilliant, even in the previous game as well. Scored half century, match winning one, and that should help to build his confidence going into this crunch game.
And next, it's time to make the prediction. Siddharth, which team are you going to back?
Yeah, well, I think I'll go with the underdogs for today's game. I think Delhi are the underdogs, clearly. They have lost both the games against Mumbai and by quite some margin the last time these two teams met. But I'll go with Delhi. Some sort of a grudge against Mumbai, as you can tell. But I hope Delhi come out on the winning side. And moreover, I think this will be their first final. And it'll be very nice to see a team making it to the finals for the first time in the history of IPL.
Gautam, which team are you going to back?
Well, I'm backing Mumbai tonight. I think they've been in these situations before as well. They exactly know what has to be done come the crunch games, and they have the experience on their side. And I think they're a champion side, 4-time champions, and they'll be very much eager to make it their fifth title win. So I think I'm backing Mumbai tonight. Yeah, it's going to be a crunch game.
So the winner of today's game fetches 2 points. If Siddharth's prediction is right, he gets 2 points. And if Gautam's prediction is right, he gets 2 points. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you guys. Cheers.
Thank you guys. Cheers. Bye.